Hello guys, welcome to Ivan Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover a Word document that you have not saved. So if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out our future videos. So without wasting time, let's open Word. It's right here. Let's go to blank document. And let's type in anything. Let's say law of nature. We can highlight it. Then we can also underline it. So let's enter. Let's change back this to font 11. Let's type when you do So we have typed something brief here. Law of nature: when you do good things to others, good things come back to you. So let's not save it. Let's just close the Word document. You click don't save. So let's not save it. Don't save. Now here is what you do. So you go to File Explorer. It's right here. Then you go to this PC. And then you type in this .asd. That is what you type in, .asd, and then you search for it. Meanwhile, you can give the video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, or you can subscribe. So it typically searches for around a few minutes, not so long, but you need patience. So finally, you can see it has brought for us what we have not saved. You can see law of nature. Then you can open it. And then you can see it has brought back our work which we had not saved. So you can go back and then save this file as, and so on. So I just hope you learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that you don't miss any other update. Thank you very much.